I really can't think of any other brand or institution that has done so much for India and the world as IIT has.
Penn IIT Alumni Reach for India Foundation, headquartered at IIT Bombay, is a nation-building initiative of IIT alumni that partners with state and central government agencies through non-profit joint ventures to institutionalized excellence in vocational education, skill development and rural entrepreneurship exclusively for the underserved.
आने वाले वर्षों में आत्मनिर्भर भारत को हमारी आत्मनिर्भर नारी शक्ति एक नई ऊर्जा देने वाली।
Traditionally, rural entrepreneurship has been debt-driven. Therefore, entrepreneurial youth and women from rural communities lack risk capital to start up and scale producer companies. We are introducing microequity as risk capital, defined as equity investments of up to Rs 10 lakh per producer owner. For a producer collective, this translates to equity funding of up to Rs 10 crore, benefiting a minimum of 100 producer owners and enhancing efficiency, viability, and scale within collectives.
We, for the first time, are promoting democratized equity ownership at the grassroots level in India.
To unleash the potential of microequity, Social Impact Fund is being set up with SIDBI, under SEBI Category 1 of Alternative Investment Funds. This fund will receive funds from multiple sources such as government agencies, venture philanthropy, multilateral agencies, etc. These funds will be used as a revolving corpus for microequity investments into various worker-owned village collectives. The capital from exits of these enterprises will be reinvested into other rural enterprises.
One has to create an IIT ecosystem for skilling. This is perhaps the best way.
The Pan IIT model of skill development is predicated on assured placement, 100% skill loan financing, best-in-class training and residential infrastructure led by ex-Army personnel.
Some of those things really started this movement that is now you are seeing.
In collaboration with the Technical Education, Skill Development and Employment Department, along with Department of Tribal Welfare and Scheduled Caste Development of the Government of Madhya Pradesh, Penn IIT Alumni Foundation has established Param Foundation. Kaushal colleges operated by the Param Foundation are equipped with advanced technology, machinery, and equipment for manufacturing and nursing trades. Param Foundation provides hands-on training in industries and offer assured placements, including international opportunities, for students from underserved communities.
It all started with the IIT and spirit, as we say.
आप सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि आप देश के इस हुनरमंद काम को बढ़ाने वालों में सबसे अच्छी संस्थाएं हैं, जो 3-4 उसमें से एक मैं अनुभव किया। मैं भारत सरकार का मंत्री बोल रहा है तो कहीं बहुत अच्छा काम है होगा।
In the Nursing Kaushal College under Param Foundation, labs are equipped with high technology equipment and simulator facilities. The labs are developed as per the industry requirement and placement partners.
कॉलेज बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि इसमें फैसिलिटी ज़्यादा है और यहाँ थ्योरी क्लास के साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है कि इसमें हाई टेक्नोलॉजी के द्वारा पढ़ाया जाता है। जैसे कि सिमुलेटर है, यहाँ वार्ड बनाए गए, जैसे प्रैक्टिस वार्ड है, ICU वार्ड है। मैं फर्स्ट स्टेट टॉपर रही हूँ और ये मेरे लिए बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी है।